Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Back up anything you cannot lose, charge the device above half, and connect a reliable USB cable to the computer. Once ready, power off the Vivo, then hold the correct boot keys for your model to enter recovery or fast boot. Different models use volume down plus power or volume up plus power. Make sure the PC recognizes the phone. If it doesn't, install necessary drivers. This gets you into the mode where fingerprint lock removal tools can work safely. Now you perform the core removal actions. If recovery has a wipe or advanced options, use wipe data/factory reset to clear the lock. This removes biometric data. If you prefer command line, use a DB, reboot to bootloader, use fastboot or a DB shell to remove /data/system/password. Key and /data/system/gatekeeper. Password. Key and any fingerprint-related files. On some models, you must also erase fingerprint HAL entries. If the bootloader is finished by rebooting the phone and walking through initial setup, make sure not to restore a backup that reintroduces the old lock. If the phone won't boot, return to recovery and perform a factory reset or reflash the official firmware for your exact Vivo model to restore system files. If Google or Vivo account verification prompts appear, sign in with the original account credentials. If you run into errors, double-check model-specific commands and drivers, then repeat the safe deletion steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.